Craft a compelling thesis, mastering persuasive arguments. Hello learners. Welcome to our new session. Today, we're diving deep into an important part of debates and discussions, presenting a clear thesis statement. This is a key element when it comes to structuring a persuasive argument, and we're here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's demystify what a thesis statement is. A thesis statement is a single sentence that expresses the main point or argument of your discussion or debate. It's a roadmap for your audience, telling them what they should expect from the rest of your speech. It's your stand, your claim, or your perspective on the topic, presented succinctly and assertively. Remember, it should be clear, concise, and persuasive. What makes a good thesis statement, you ask? Well, a strong thesis statement should be 1. Specific. It should cover what you will discuss in your speech or debate. 2. Arguable. It should not be a mere statement of fact, but something others could possibly disagree with. 3. Clear. It should be easily understood by the audience. No ambiguity allowed. Let's see an example of a clear thesis statement. Despite its potential risks, nuclear energy is a more efficient and environmentally friendly power source compared to fossil fuels. Here, we clearly understand the speaker's stance and what they will discuss. When crafting your thesis statement, consider these points. 1. Understand your topic. Be clear about what you're discussing or debating. Understanding your topic deeply will help you form a solid perspective. 2. Take a position. Decide your stance on the topic. Your stance should be arguable and not universally accepted. 3. State it clearly. Your thesis statement should be succinct, clear, and to the point. You should be able to communicate it in 1 or 2 sentences. 4. Make it interesting. Engage your audience by crafting an intriguing thesis statement. Make them want to hear your argument. Once you have a well-crafted thesis statement, it's time to place it right. The thesis statement typically goes at the end of your introduction. This helps set the stage for your arguments and gives your audience a clear picture of what to expect. And that's how you present a clear thesis statement. Remember, it's your guiding star for the entire debate or discussion. By creating a strong, clear, and persuasive thesis statement, you lay the foundation for a compelling argument. Practice makes perfect, so keep practicing this skill. We hope this lesson was helpful, and we're excited to see you in the next one. Happy learning!